What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I have my boyfriend Matt here with me again since the boyfriend as my makeup one was such a hit. I figured we would switch things up and I would do a little makeover on him. Now originally I was going to do a Tekashi 6ix9INE Halloween inspired look on myself, but instead I thought it would be funnier if I instead do the makeover on Matt. So we are turning Matt into 6ix9INE. So before we get into it, if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and click the little bell so you never miss one of my posts. And if you thought this video was funny, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get right on into this video. So to start out, we're going to fix up his eyebrows a little bit. He doesn't quite have those really crisp and defined eyebrows. So we're gonna go ahead and fill those in a bit. How does it feel to be the one to get the makeover? No, don't scrunch. No, come back. Don't scrunch.
I can't help it.
Stop going like this.
It's making me want to sneeze.
No. Who's gonna have perfect eyebrows? Stop wiggling. Okay, next we're gonna get started on the face
Well, this kind of looks good.
We're gonna get started on the face tattoos. So this is gonna be interesting. What are you doing? Don't make that face. Come closer. Oh, no, so I can look at it, not so you can look at it. No, so I can look at it. So I can look at it.
What?
The fuck? Matt, hold it.
What are you doing?
Hold it so I can't see. It's not for you to see. Turn your head that way. No.
What are you doing?
I cannot. Actually a really shitty tattoo.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it has a 6ix9INE on its head.
I know.
What do you think is his favorite number?
47.
Take money promotion.
So silly, off them choppers, shoot your up, let's get busy. PG with the Robins, looking all retarded. BB sagging, fly like a dragon. Cause I fly like a ladder. For killers, I'm a killer too. Selling shots. Everybody get popped.